What up YouTube, it's your boy SB Mitch back at it again with another fire video because me and the squad do not sleep. For today's video, me and my boys Dylan, and Dylan copped a whole bunch of Nintendo.
Yes, Nintendo.
Switches to sell locally, but my mom wouldn't let me drive her crossover into any neighborhoods that had more than one auto parts store. But be sure to smash that sub button to get a heads up on my new series that starts next week about how to get a maximum of $37 on any Supreme BOGO that you cop. No cap. Let's get into it, fam! Thanks, I thought that intro was very good too. Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Beater Box Friday, which is a video of me opening a beater box on a Friday. I'm SB Mitch, thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe if you dig what's going on here. Hi pals. Today's beater box is just like every other beater box. It comes to us from Sole Supremacy. The only thing that's different is the price. This box cost, hold on. I don't prepare for these videos. $725 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $775. There it is. It's the counter. Its name is clearance. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're gonna take the entire estimated box value, place it up against how much I paid to see how much profit there is, because that's what we wanna do here. Keep in mind also that the prices that pop up on your screen, that's just the estimated market value. That is not how much the shoes are for sale for. If you wanna find out how much the shoes are for sale for, go to my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is, it's right there. It's sbmitch.com. It's my name, .commercial. Let's see what's in this box. So Sole Supremacy's physical store has been closed for a number of weeks now. So they have been getting very few pairs for beater boxes in, so this box might stink. In the little Twitter chat I'm in with other beater box members, a lot of boxes have been a lot of shoes without actual sneaker boxes, so we might be seeing an influx of loosies in this video. Hey, I wasn't wrong. I don't know how many exactly, but it looks like 4 or 5 maybe. All right, so this first one out is a size 12, I think. Yeah, this is a worn pair. This is the Jordan Future. It's a Jordan 11 midsole and outsole, as you can tell. Very little wear, a little bit of discoloration. But the upper is all knit, and it's got these like fancy schmancy aglets. Yeah, these are, I mean, these used to hit a long time ago, but I'm sure they don't really hit right now. But there's your first shoe out, size 12. Jordan Future in like some kind of triple black colorway. Slick looking shoe, it's in good shape. If you want to buy that pair or any other pairs in this box, sbmitch.com, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. We have a size 12. I don't know what this colorway is called, but it's like Varsity Maize and Black. This is a 6 rings, isn't it? This has to be a 6 rings. Not very good with obscure Jordans, but I mean, this is in good shape. A little bit of outsole wear. Hardly any star loss on the, ooh, yeah, it's not picking it up. I need more lights. I have more lights on the way, but it's in good shape. You can see the Jumpman. No, you can't, but there is a Jumpman on the insole. These are from 2009, it looks like, so they do have some years on them, but they're in really good shape. So size 12, Jordan 6 rings without a box. There's a lot of shoes without boxes in here. This is a Huarache. This looks to be a dead stock pair, but it's like some kind of weird Huarache, I think. It's a size 11 and a half. It's an all navy blue Huarache, but it's got some kind of weird upper, like it's mesh. I know nothing about this shoe. It does appear to be dead stock. There's no nipple loss and there's no signs of wear on the outsole. 11 and a half, Nike Huarache something. There you go. There's still 3 more pairs of loose pairs in here. What is this? What the is this thing? Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna bleep that out. What the? It's a US 11 and a half. What in the Sam heck is this thing? It says Kicks PM on the back. I mean, I'm gonna look it up after the video. I mean, you could tell me in the comments, but I'm probably gonna know by now. But what? The bottom of it says Kicks, but K1X. What? There you go. It's 11 and a half. It's not worn. It's a dead stock pair, so that's good. I don't know what these are. I think these are just called Kicks. I've never heard of it. Wow. Two more loose pairs, but there's still more shoes in here. This is a size 12. This is the anti-gravity machine in the blue colorway of the Air Jordan 1. It's all patent. These are in great shape. Barely any heel drag. The outsole is a little bit see-through, translucent, whatever you call it, but it's patent, so it's gonna show signs of wear really easily. There you go, size 12, anti-gravity machines, royal blue Jordan 1. This next one is the first recognizable Jordan I've seen in this box. It's size 11.5. It's a Jordan 6. It's worn, but it's still very good shape. This is the All-Star Chameleon release from 2016. It's got this all iridescent upper, which I might be able to see in the video. I don't know. The outsole is in great shape. Not much discoloration, not much really of any signs of wear. Cool pair, but also very hard to move. So size 11.5, Jordan 6, All-Star Chameleon. Finally, we have shoes with boxes now. Oh good, Adidas. We have a size 10 Y3 Quaza Racer. Looks like the retail on this was $350 somehow. I think these might be dead stock because there's a little thing attached to it still. Well, there's that. It's got kind of a tubular outsole. Don't know what that signifies, but it's triple black and people love triple black colorways because some people are boring. Dead stock shape, it's a size 10 and it's cool, I guess. There you go. I got another Adidas box. This is a 700 at a size 10.5. This is a really lightly worn pair, actually. This is the mauve colorway of the Yeezy 700. These are cool. I don't mind these. I like that little hint of like voltish kind of green on the midsole. Again, it's not a Wave Runner because Wave Runners will always be the best 700, but these are cool and they're in good shape. It's a decent size too, so these are these are in excellent shape. There's like hardly any outsole wear. I mean, these are in really, really awesome, clean shape. Size 10.5, mauve, 700s. Pancake, chill out, dude. Pancake has been injured for the past couple weeks. That's why I haven't seen her. So this is a size 11 Nike Air Huarache. Whew, no it's not. So these are worn. These are actually kind of beat up. This is a size 10.5. This is a Nike Dunk Low Pro collaboration with pro skater Reese Forbes, a pink box era release. This is the Hunter Nike Dunk Low Pro. It's got this like burlap material on the vamp, on the tongue, and on the side panel, and around the ankle too. I used to have these. They were not great for wide-footed folks. These have no insoles, so that's kind of a bummer. I don't have any size 10.5 replacement insoles, and there's a lot of outsole wear. Like, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. There's a lot of drag on the forefoot and on the heel, so definitely still wearable. They have some years on them, so there's probably some there's definitely separation too. Dunk Low SBs are super hot right now, so I understand that this might have more of an inflated value than usual. So no box, no insoles. Reese Forbes Hunter Dunk Low Pro SB, 2005, probably. One more in here. It's a Jordan 1. It's a youth size 7 youth, Jordan 1 Retro High OG, 2016. Wow, so this is the 2016 retro of the Black Toe Air Jordan 1, one of the most iconic colorways of an Air Jordan model in general. These are worn. How's the bottom? So there is a little bit of star loss and a little bit of heel drag on these. Not too bad. A little bit of toe box creasing, a little bit of insole wear. They don't smell funky or anything, so this is a very good get. It's a really great size. All of you know that Last Dance finale is this weekend, so there's been some market activity on Jordans, especially Jordan 1s with that documentary series coming out. So here's your final shoe. No, 7 youth, Jordan 1 Black Toe from 2016. And that is probably the most confusing $725 Sole Supremacy beater box I've ever gotten. Here's the breakdown. Super weird. There might be some value in here, but these are all going to be really tough movers. I mean, this little thing down here, I guarantee you that ease of movement is going to be poor because this is just a really tough box to move. But given this current state of the world right now, this is kind of what you have to expect with boxes. If you're interested in any of these shoes, sbmitch.com, 6 p.m. today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll be back soon with some kind of other video. Till next time, take care of each other and remember to make it fun because shoes are supposed to be fun. Bye.